Do you know that the way you start your morning can decide how your whole day will go? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. I'm Soumia, and in this video, I'm going to share with you simple steps that will help you to start your morning with a positive energy. You know that the way you start your morning can decide how your whole day will go? Step number 1. As soon as you open your eyes, take a deep breath and smile. This simple action sends a message to your brain that today is going to be a productive day. Step number 2. Say 3 things you are grateful for, whether it's your family, your home, or simply the chance to wake up today and watch this video. And do not forget to thank God for all the blessings around you. Step number 3, movement. Walk or stretch. The important thing is to move your body, even if it's just for 5 minutes. As they say, movement brings more movement. So, following these steps and starting your morning this way will help make your day productive and gives you more positive energy. So, these were 3 simple steps. Tell me in the comments, how do you usually start your morning? And before that, do not forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring messages. See you in the next video.